Hello students, under the topic integration by parts, here we have the next problem, problem number 15. They are asking us to find the integral of x sine inverse of x divided by square root of 1 minus x square dx. Now we have to first make the choice of u, after which the remaining we have to take as dv, because we are going to use the formula integral u dv is equal to uv minus integral v du. To use this formula, we have to consider this integral in this form. That is, some parts of it we have to consider as u and the remaining part we have to consider as dv. Now, how to make the choice of u? We have to use ILATE. We have to make the choice of u in this order. If the function is an inverse function, then first we have to make the choice of u as the inverse. If the inverse function is not there, then we have to look out for the logarithmic and then the algebraic and then trigonometric and the exponential. To understand this better, kindly go and check out the previous video lectures on integration by parts. So now the given function here are algebraic, that is this x square root of 1 minus x squared, all this is algebraic, and sine inverse of x is an inverse function. So now how to make the choice of u? U should be chosen in this order. So if you see, first we have the inverse function. So the choice of u will be equal to the inverse function first. So what is the inverse function here? So this sine inverse of x is the only inverse function that we have here. So u is equal to sine inverse of x. And what we have to do is the remaining we have to make it as dv. So dv will be equal to, so what is remaining? X divided by square root of 1 minus x squared dx is the remaining function. So dv will be equal to x divided by square root of 1 minus x squared dx. So this is u, this is dv. So after making the choice of u and dv, next we have to find v in this formula and du in this formula, for which we have to differentiate the function u with respect to x first. So du by dx will be equal to, what is the differentiation of sine inverse of x? So by the differentiation formula which I have given in one of the previous differentiation topic, I have given the formulas. So where sine inverse of x after differentiation, it turns out to be 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. So from this we obtain du, that is, this is what we are evaluating. So du will be equal to, taking this dx to the right, we get dx divided by square root of 1 minus x square. So this is du. So now next we have to find v, for which we have to integrate dv. So if we integrate dv, we will get v. So to integrate this, we have to integrate the right side also. So this full thing has to be integrated, and this will be integrated by using the method of substitution. So I will just take this and write here. So dv is equal to x divided by square root of 1 minus x square dx. Now we have to integrate on both the sides. So let me integrate here. So what will be the integration of dv? The integration of dv is v. So integration of dv is v, which is equal to, now to integrate on the right, as I told you, we have to use the method of substitution. So what is the substitution that we are going to make? So inside the square root, what do we have? We have 1 minus x square. This we are going to take as t. So let me take this as t. So t will be equal to 1 minus x square. So I have made the substitution as t equal to 1 minus x square. So from this we have to differentiate in order to get this dx. So with respect to dx we are differentiating. So dt by dx will be equal to, what will be the differentiation of 1? It will be 0. And then the differentiation of x squared is 2x. So this minus 2x we will be having. If you see in the numerator here, we have x dx. So we have to bring in that form. So if you take this dx to the right side and bring this minus 2 to the left, that is in the denominator here, we get minus dt by 2 is equal to x dx. So this is what we obtain. So we gave the substitution t as 1 minus x square, and we have obtained x dx as minus dt by 2. So let us make these two substitutions in our integral here. So this will be equal to integral. Now this x dx has to be rewritten as minus dt by 2 divided by square root of this 1 minus x squared. We will be rewriting it as t. So we have t. Now the integral has become very easy to integrate. So further this will be equal to, bringing the negative sign and 1 by 2 outside, we get minus 1 by 2 integral dt divided by the square root of t can be written as t to the power 1 by 2. Now taking this t to the power 1 by 2 to the numerator, we get minus 1 by 2 integral t to the power minus 1 by 2 dt. Now let us integrate. So this will be equal to minus 1 by 2. What is the integral of t power minus 1 by 2? By using the formula integral x power n dx, we know that the formula is x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So now here the value of n is minus 1 by 2. So using that formula, t to the power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So this is what we get. Now that is equal to minus 1 by 2 t to the power, what is minus 1 by 2 plus 1? It is 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. So this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled, and we get this to be equal to minus this t to the power 1 by 2 can be written as square root of t. And so therefore we will be equal to minus square root of t, from which we get v to be equal to minus square root of, what is t? We have taken t to be 1 minus x square. This is what the substitution we made. So square root of 1 minus x square. So we have got v now. So after this we have to substitute this v and then u that we have taken, okay, this u and this du in this formula. So let us do that now. So as per the formula, integral u dv is the given question. So that we have to write, which is equal to uv. So first we have to multiply u and v. U is sine inverse of x and v is minus square root of 1 minus x square. So we will multiply that. So first we will write the negative sign and then square root of 1 minus x squared and then sine inverse of x. So uv minus integral v du. So what is v? V is this. So that we will write. So when we write that, this minus and this minus gets multiplied and this becomes plus square root of 1 minus x squared. V du. In the formula we have v du. What is du? Dx by square root of 1 minus x square. So that we will write. So multiplied with dx divided by square root of 1 minus x square. So after this we observe that these two terms gets cancelled, and this is equal to minus square root of 1 minus x squared sine inverse of x plus integral dx. And further this will be equal to minus square root of 1 minus x square sine inverse of x plus the integral of dx is x plus c. So this is the answer. So therefore integral x sine inverse of x divided by square root of 1 minus x square dx we have obtained to be minus square root of 1 minus x square sine inverse of x plus c. So this is the answer. Hope you have understood this problem. So we will see more problems on this topic in our future videos. Thank you.